There. Okay, so we've got point number 6 now. This is user. Well, this section is all about how users are interacting with your site. The first 2 elements that I'm going to bring up together are country and locality, both with an importance factor of 2. It used to be very, very easy to represent yourself nationwide. Okay, it's not so easy anymore. You used to be able to put all the locations or in the bottom of your website and you'd appear at the top of Google. Not so much the case right now. What you need to do is have yourself set up in your local area. That's what Google wants. You need to be in one place. That's where you serve. Once you've established yourself there, you branch out further. If you do have offices indeed all over the country, feel free to put them in your website. You will be represented as a national company in the search engines. Next up in the elements is user experience. This is how users, again, are interacting with your website. Are they coming on and then just bouncing off straight away? If somebody comes onto your website from a search engine and then leaves back to the search engine, that's called a bounce rate. So that's Google. If you don't have what the customer needs, the customer's bouncing off. A bounce rate of 27% or under is considered excellent. So make sure whatever you have on your landing page is relevant to the consumer that is searching for you. And then on next up, we've got history. So are you getting repeat visitors? This one isn't so important as much anymore. It is phasing out within the Google factors. However, for yourself, you want your customers to come back. So interact with them, give them reasons to come back, offer points, reward points, a portal to log into, something like that. Keep your users coming back, because the key to any company's success is repeat business. To get repeat business, you want repeat customers. Lovely stuff. On to the next. Intent. Now this +1 again in the importance factors. I have mentioned this throughout the session today. It's the intent. A customer, a potential client, a user on the search engine has an intent. They have a reason to be there. They are looking for something. When they come to your website, do you fill that need? Are you filling that intent? Are you showing up for something that is unrelated? Make sure that any keywords that are in your site do match what you offer. So if you fill a customer's intent, they come onto your website, find what they're looking for, you may get a conversion, and you'll also get raised up the search engines organically. That is it for user. Next, we're going to run on to the last 2 points. These aren't really ranking factors. In fact, the next one, it shows you what not to do, and the one after that is looking at what you might want to start doing.